red-chested robin sings from the branch of an old oak tree, a song of hope designed to set your mind at ease. The swallows and the wrens know this to be. No sparrow falls that God don't see. A morning dove cries softly in the wind just now. A blue jay struts across the stage and takes his bow. The martins and the cardinals all agree. No sparrow falls that God don't see. When fear comes creeping like a thief in times like these, when death is hovering in the very air we breathe, Son of Mercy reigns in hearts that will believe. His love endures eternally. A red-chested robin sings from the branch of an old oak tree, song of hope designed set your mind at ease. Like birds one day we'll fly away and home will be. Till then no sparrow ever falls that God don't see.